Hello my lovely students, this is teacher Isam. In this video I'm gonna summarize unit 2 and 3 for the second grade level students, so stay with me. First let's start with the vocabulary. We have first coloring pencil, glue stick, marker pen, paintbrush, pencil sharpener, stapler. Next we have food. So first pizza, of course you know pizza, then chicken, next fish, we have here soup, juice, and the last one steak. Then we have the animals. First animal is skunk, then cheetah, number 3 snake, number 4 owl, number 5 peacock, and the number 6 fox. Next we have cow, duck, goat, horse, rabbit, and the last one turkey. And for the grammar, you have to understand this topic or how to use the articles this, that, these, and those. So we use this when we have something close to us. Look at the finger. So something so close to the finger, and just one animal, not more than one. So we will use in this case this. What's this? It's a duck. What's this? It's a duck. Here we have one animal, but it's far from us. Look at the finger and look at the animal. It's far. There is a long distance between the finger and the rabbit, so we will use that. What's that? It's a rabbit. What's that? It's a rabbit. And in case we have more than one animal, like this picture, we have 2 animals. We will use for something close to us these. What are these? They're ducks, and don't forget the S, we use it with the plural. So this is when we have more than one animal, more than one thing. Of course you have to write the S at the end of the noun. So what are these? They're ducks. In this case we have more than one animal and they are so far from us. Look at the finger and look at the rabbits. So we will use in this case, what are those? They're rabbits. Okay, I hope that you understand this topic, and don't forget to memorize the vocabulary, and good luck in the exam. See you again in another video.